LCM.
As the 4, 3, 12. 12 can go into both of them. So
All right.
12 under.
Hold on,
and say 9 plus
Hold on, my friend. Hold on, my friend.
8.
What's the LCM there?
12.
18.
Really?
18 are 3
Really?
can go in
Really?
2. And
Really?
It's 12.
What's the LCM?
3 can go in both of them.
LCM for the 1/3 and 1/6 is 6.
It's 6.
A 6.
Okay.
It's not 12. It's not 3. It's not 12. It's not 18.
Not 36.
And not 36 neither.
A 6.
A 6 at the LCM.
Okay.
All right. So when you're trying to find LCM, you know, multiply the two number them. Sometimes you get the answer, sometimes you don't get the answer. All right. So 3 can go into 6, and what? 6 can go into 6. The LCM for this one would be 12, but it's a mislead. If you say 3, 4, it's 12. And they say, boy, sir, at that, you know, sir, no, because all right, watch out now. Let me show you something. Suppose I have something like this: 1/2, and I have 1/4.
4.
What's the LCM?
4.
4. It's not 8. You follow? All right. But I just have to clear up that here. All right, but that's not what we're doing. But you know, I just want to clear it up. So what we do next? We say 4 into 12. Go so much times. 3.
4.
3. 3 is 9.
4.
3 is what? 9. 3 into 12.
4.
Goes what? 4.
4 2s 8.
4 2 is 8.
Yeah.
And that's going to be 17.
17 over 12.
Over 12. What is this as a mixed fraction?
12.
1 and 5 over
so
12.
1, 12.
1 and 5, 17.
5.
Over 12.
1 and 5 over 12, sir.
Right, 1 and 5 over 12. So that's basically how we work fractions, all right? But we're not doing that now because we did that earlier on. So example. Simplify. Now you might be saying, sir, how do I know how to work out this? Basically, if you see a question, hold on. All right, look at that question. Will you notice? It is a fraction question with some letters in it, not true? All right, so to work out this question, all we need to do is find the what? The LCM. What's the LCM here?
14.
14.
14. And then you're going to say 7 into what? 14.
14.
Goes how much times?
2 times.
And what's 2 times 5x?
13x over 14.
Come on, 2 times 5x is
10x.
10x.
Oh, you tell me the final answer. Okay, cool. And 14 into 14 goes what?
1 time.
1
One
times.
time.
And 1 times 3x is
Three.
what?
3x.
3x. And these are what? Like variables, not true?
Yes,
Yeah.
So
sir.
you can add them. So the answer is 13 x
X
over 14.
14.
And that is your answer. Any questions?
No, sir.
Let's do one with unlike terms now.
No, man, wala naman, wala.
Because
No, man, yeah,
I unlike terms in always give.
yes, true.
I have to start out with something simple, you know, so it makes you feel good.
Sir, what time start over?
Eh?
What time start
9:30.
over?
Not 9:30, man.
My neck hurt me.
Alright, so you have to call on your spouse to address that, alright?
Okay.
Or let's make somebody get a lick in your back. Alright, just kidding. Alright. What if, let me give an example. Suppose I say, there's something like this. The letters are at the bottom. What do you think, you see?
The LCM would be 15x, sir.
Hold on. Let me write back this answer here, because okay, so you're saying that the LCM is what? 15x?
I say 15x.
You're absolutely correct. Is that class?
Yes,
So
sir.
what to do, you know, you look for 5 and you look for 15. And you try to work out the number. So 5 and 15 is alright, you know something? It's 15. I just write out the letter. Alright? So what to know? So this part is the tricky part. Alright? So what we're gonna say, alright, let me level with you. Let me ask you something, alright? Over here is alright. Over here is alright. When I say 7 into 14, this part here. When I say 7 into 14, it's actually 14. This is what we're working on, not true? Would you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what we're working on, not true? Yeah. So if I say 7 to 14, you know, this is how it would look. And it says 7 to 7 goes 1, and 7 to 14 goes 2. That's how we get it 2, you know. Alright, you see for this one over here, so? Think like this over here, so. So when I say 5x into 15x, it's actually, this is what we're actually working out. 15x over what? 5x. When we say 5x
3x.
into 15x, this is how you're supposed to see it. I hope you're making notes. And then we cancel now.
So the answer would be 3, sir, for that
Right.
one.
Right. The x cancel off. 5 into 5 goes 1. 5 into 15 goes what? 3. So when I say 5x into 15x, that will just give you what? 3. And 3 twos is what?
6.
Everybody see that? This
Yes,
is
sir.
very important. Write it off, and there's a reason why I say it's important. Then no, you're gonna say 15x into 15x. Oh, that's pretty straightforward. 15x into 15x will just give you what? 1. Because it's the same thing. 4 ones, 4. So what's the answer?
10 over 15. I
X.
cancel it out. 5 into 10, 2. 5 into 15, 3.
So it's 2 over 3x. Thank you very much. Do we have any questions?
No, sir.
All right. So let me see the time. Let me check the time.
So, sir, you're looking on the denominator, like the 2 and the 5 and the 15. Like what can go into what? And simplify it.
Yeah, you're looking for the highest common. You see the 10 and the 15 right here, so you're looking for the highest common factor. Highest common factor there is 5. So 5 into 10 goes to, you follow?
Okay, sir.
All right.
So, sir, we can just, it's not okay to just multiply both of them. It's not.
I don't understand you. What is a multiply both of them? What do you mean?
Like, for example, multiply the 5 and the 15 because you said it's the lowest common multiple. So if it's the highest common multiple, would you do that? Like multiply both of them? Or is there any difference?
All right, hold on. You kind of lost me. I don't know where you exactly are. Are you talking about this?
Because
Are you talking about this part?
no, the denominator.
Oh, you mean the 15x?
No, yes, like
No, it's LCM.
yes, like why
Why is it 15x?
for me?
You're asking.
Huh?
You're asking why is it 15x?
No, I'm asking like because it's the lowest common multiple. You have to use the 15. Like you have to, like you can't multiply both of them.
Oh,
Or
yes.
you don't have
No.
to use that.
No. Don't multiply. No, don't multiply them. That wouldn't give you the
like
answer.
the 15.
No, if you multiply.
I just want to know.
If you multiply them, you're not gonna get the answer. All right. So don't multiply them. I think I explained that. I think we explained that earlier, but maybe you're just joining us. All right. Because 5 times 15, 5 times 15, I'll give you a big number, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, let us quickly look at another question. All right, so maybe this is our last question for the night. All right, so continue. I was a thank God. Who was a thank God? All right, so suppose I have something like this. Look at that. All right, so I need someone to tell me what the LCM is.
Would it be
21.
21 ABC for the LCM?
Yes, man.
21.
You're correct, you know.
21 AB.
ABC.
Yeah, you're correct. So when you notice, even though we have 2A, you just write back one of them. You follow? So if you have 1 over X plus 1 over Y, the LCM is what? XY. If you have 1 over XY plus 1 over Y, the LCM is going to be XY. Suppose you have 1 over XY plus 1 over YZ. The LCM is just what? XYZ. Everybody see that? Alright, so then now we're going to proceed. So watch out now. I'm going to say this into all of that, not true? But it's going to be like this. 21A BC over 3AB. Everybody see that?
B7C, sir.
When you said 3AB into 21ABC, this is what you're working out, not true?
So it would be 7AB. I'm sorry, 7C, sir.
Right. Because AB cancel out AB. 3 and 3 goes 1. 3 and 21 goes what? 7. So you're going to get 7C. What is 7C times 2?
14.
No, it's incomplete.
C.
14C.
Right. And then now when we say 7AC into that, it is actually 21. Oops. 21 ABC all over what? 7
3B.
AC. And then what can cancel out? A and C,
So it
7
would be 3B.
and 21, right? So what we get is just what? 3B. So this up here, so it's going to be 4.
12B.
4 times 3B, which is what?
12B.
12B. Alright? And this would have been our final answer because you can't add C and B. Alright? Everybody get that?
Not really.
What part you don't
So
get?
sorry, you can add it and then cancel it like how you cancel before.
Sir, I like the one what we do before, like class, the the name again. Substitution, simplify with the division and something like that, like you minus them and cancel them, something like that.
Okay. But you not like that one, eh? Alright. Okay, no, you remember, you can't add C plus B. You can't do nothing to it. You have to just leave it like that. And you can't say C cancel a C there and B cancel a B there. Alright, that's incorrect, yeah?
So it would be, the answer would be 14C plus 12B over 21 ABC.
ABC, yeah.
Okay.
Any questions?
Where's the answer again, sir?
All of this.
What?
All of that is the answer.
14C plus 12B.
All right, do we have any questions? Alright guys, so before I go, you see? Can someone tell me what the LCM is?
18.
18.
18 alone?
18x, y, x.
18xy.
No, man, just 18xy. Alright?
Okay.
X square, sir. Just xy.
Right, just xy.
Okay.
So even though you have two x's, you only write back what? 1.
Okay.
Alright? And then now you're going to say 9xy into what? 18xy. So xy into xy will what? Cancel out. And then 9 into 18 gives you what? 2.
2.
So 2 times 7 is what?
14.
Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, please.
Okay, so xy into xy will what? Cancel out. 9 into 18 goes what?
2 times.
2 times. And 2 7 is 14.
14.
Alright. 18x into 18xy. First of all, the x can cancel out x. Leave back what?
Y.
Leave back y, don't you? And what's 18 into 18? 18 to 18 gonna cancel out. So everything gonna cancel out, leave back what? Y. Everybody following that? Anybody else?
It's
So, sir,
yeah.
you just cancel out the xy, right? So you only apply it to the left side, the 9xy part, and then when you then work out the right side, you have to like uncancel out the, the xy.
Okay, okay. I understand what you're saying. No man, when you cancel out xy, it regenerate back. So you work up on the right hand side.
Okay, sir. Okay, only the part and then they try it.
Oh, if you say use up and gone.
Yes, sir. It done with you know so why it's where I come from again.
Right.
All right.
So, no man, it come back again. All right.
All right, sir. Tell me next time, do.
So this should be 5y.
Right. So x cancel the x, 18 cancel the 18, leave back y. So
Y.
5 times y gives you what?
5y.
5y.
All right, try this one for me.
Sister, that's that answer 14 plus 5y.
Oh yes, sorry. Jeez, I'm peace, man, I forgot. Yeah man, all of this. Hold on then. All of this is the answer here. All of that here. So don't cancel y, don't do anything here. And the reason why you can't do anything is because of this plus sign here.
Oh, okay.
Just leave it as it is. This is 8 here. You know, merge properly. Okay, so try this one for me here. Alright, so use the raise hand feature if you want to participate. if you want to. Okay. Yes, Karen, go ahead.
Not sure if it is right, if it is correct.
Well, you put up your hand, so anything will come after you have to get it.
Right. So 56 would be the denominator.
Is she correct?
56 A, B,
Yes, she is.
Yes, 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 sir.
All right. So then you'll write A, B, C beside the 56. And then 7 into 56 goes 8 times. No, before you reach there, you'll cancel off. So you cancel the A. Down there, cancel the A beside the 7. Then you cancel the B, cancel off the other B. And 7 into 56 goes 8 times. 8 times 2, 16. Take away sign.
Hold on. So what about the C?
So I'll put the C beside the 16. Hold on. So I'll cancel off the C. But I want to reach over where the C, the other C is. I was waiting for the left side. Oh, but the C. So I'll put the C beside the 16. I understand now. Right?
No, man. Hold on. 7 into 56 goes how many times? 8.
8, right.
But C is left back. So the 8 and the C will give you 8C.
Yes. Okay.
Right? Right.
Okay.
So and 2 times 8C is 16 what? C.
C.
Right. But I want you to recognize that this is what you I mean, you may not have written the 8C up here, so it wouldn't be incorrect, but you just want to be consistent in what you're doing, and rather than saying, boy, just drop it right there. So try to understand that when you hold on, I'm also freeze up on me like that. You understand?
I'm listening, sir.
All right, so oh boy, my mouse is not working. What's happening here? Oh, all right. So yeah, so rather than writing 16C, you need to understand where the C come from.
Right.
Right? All right, continue now.
So you put the takeaway sign. All right. And then 8 into 56 goes 7 times. But then you'd cancel off again. Sorry about that. So it would be cancel off the B, cancel off the C, and you'd have A remaining. So you'd have 7A times 3 give you 21A. And that would be the answer.
Yeah, man, you're correct. Very good.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Any questions?
I got that too, sir. Me do the C. Me put the C. Me no say C to go side I 16.
Okay, yeah, man.
Sir, can you go over that for me, please, sir, one more time?
The entire thing?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. So why you never stop, man? Anyways, oh boy. Oh. So the LCM is, I think it's, I don't know what you don't understand.
Sir, let me tell you what I don't understand.
Hold on. That is what I want you to tell me. Just tell me exactly what you understand. Rather than because time is at all.
Oh, you get the 16C and the 20. Oh, you get the C. The 6. I know how you get the 16, but the C beside it and the 21A and the A beside the 21.
Right. All right. You see, that is what you want to know, not true? All right. So what happened? What happens that this you're gonna divide this into that. Do you follow, Miss?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
I'm hearing.
You're gonna divide this into that. So AB cancel what? AB.
AB.
What left back? Which letter left back?
C.
And 7 into 56 goes what?
8.
What's 8 times C?
8C.
What's 8C times 2?
16C.
You understand now?
Yes.
Alright. So you need for me to explain the other part too?
So you're gonna cancel out now BC. So you leave it back with A.
Right. So
that you say
that A goes up. And 8 into
Right.
56 goes 7. So anything we divide this into, man, it goes up, so you know?
Yes.
Alright. We good?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright, so try this one for me. What is x times x?
X square.
X square, not true?
Yes, sir.
And what is y times y?
Same, y square.
Right, very good, very good. Okay, try this one for me. In the meantime, I'm going to write question number 4 up here. Oh boy. I'm gonna try and see if I can get a pen drive, a pen thing for this. I'm tired of using this mouse here. All right.
Can I try that one?
Yeah, man. I'm just Okay, go ahead, please.
Okay. The multiple would be 27 or 27 yx.
It's not 27, no.
It be 9.
Yeah, it will be 9.
9. Oh,
Yes.
crap. Yes, for true.
All right. All right. Anybody else want to give it a try? Because all the numbers for your one would be messed up.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I want to try.
All right. Okay. Go ahead, Miss. Karen, I'm just gonna allow her to go ahead here.
That's okay. That's why I took down my hand quickly. Let you go ahead.
Yeah, man. Go on there. You can go.
All right, sir. So you would have 9xy as the lowest common multiple. Then you would cancel out the y and 9 into 9 one time. So that answer will be 8x squared.
Very good. Yes.
Then you're gonna have plus. Then we're gonna cancel over the same part. So we're gonna say the x cancel with 3x and then you're gonna say 3 into 9 goes 3 times. And the answer should be 6.
All right. Sorry about that. Somebody, sorry about that. So you're actually correct. Thank you very much. Any questions? Are you guys following? This would have been the answer here.
Yes, sir.
All right. Any questions? Anybody lost?
That's the answer I got.
Yeah, man. Very good. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. All right. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you this one here. Number 4. You notice number 4 is a little bit different, not true? We have more than one terms at the top. All right. So you do the same thing.
So can I ask you something before you start explaining?
Yes.
Just out of curiosity. You're going to work out the top part just like when you're doing grouping like terms or
Yeah. Yes, you're correct. Yeah. We're gonna eventually. It's gonna eventually end up with doing that.
Alright.
All right. So, what's the LCM?
21.
Right. So 7 into 21 goes 3. But normally I put the 3 up here, so not true. But because this is a very big term, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna write all of this down here, so. Everybody see that?
So if I don't do it like that, but just still like...
No, I want you to do it like this.
Like that, bracket it?
Yeah, yeah. I want you to do it like that. You see, everything, class, let me tell you something. Everything I do, try to follow it, yeah? Don't try to make up your own thing, because anytime you make up your own thing and things look different, you can find yourself in a problem.
No, so I mean, I pick up my own thing, I just never put the bracket, I just put ×3 on both sides, so that's why I asked.
No, I don't do that. That's what I'm saying, don't do that. Alright? So 3 into 21 goes what? 7, not true?
7 times.
So it's going to be 7 times what? All of that, not true?
Yeah.
Don't do it no other way here. Please. And guess what? Okay, we're gonna go up here, so sorry about this. What do you think we're gonna do here, so guys?
7 plus 3.
We're going to use the distributive property, not true?
Sir?
Yes?
Before you continue, please. How we come by the 7 there, sir?
Right here, sir?
No.
Right here?
1 plus E. Yes.
What's 3 into 21?
7 times.
Alright. Does it answer the question?
So you're going to do the same on the right hand side?
Come on, this is the right hand side. But, or you mean the left hand side?
So you didn't do anything for the left as yet?
Yes. 7 into 21 goes what? 3. Where were you? You get up a while ago?
No.
Get up a while ago, man. Hey, you know, sometimes if you say that, no, get up, go drink wine, go sip wine. Or
no, sir. Me head way in a book.
Wanna go watch Lifetime. Was up on Lifetime.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, man, but I did that. But yes, I did that. Let me tell you, the only thing is that the trees up here, so, but it's because you have a lot of things up here, so it'll look confusing. So I'm saying, okay, don't put the tree up there, so just put it down here, so.
Okay.
Piece. You follow?
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you what some students do, and them always get it wrong. And don't do this. Don't follow nobody. What them do, they multiply everything by they do like this. That's wrong. I'll get it wrong. And then when you reach up here, so what them do, them say, okay, everything by 7. I don't know which maths teacher tell them that. Don't do that. That's very dangerous, yeah? And there's a reason why. you shouldn't do that. All right. All right. So everybody following so far? Any questions? Sir. All right. What I want you to do is see, because right here, so you know, this is what we did last week, don't you? Distributive property, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Come on, people, you guys must come prepared to class, you know. Let me tell you something. You see, if you come class and you know look over your notes from last time, and you come with a blank mind, you're gonna lose, because everything is connected to each other, especially in algebra. Algebra is so connected. Like if whatever I do last week is gonna connect it to what? To this week. All right. What I want you to do is to work out the top piece for me. Work out this piece and tell me what you get. 1 minute.
15 minus.
Come on, no, wait. Let us allow for 1 minute to pass. Remember, you know, we have to allow everybody to learn, not true? So, not because you finish, you know, just allow us others to participate, and you know. All right, ready now?
Yes, sir.
All right, so that gonna give us what? 15m, not true?
M.
Subtract what? 6n.
N plus.
All right. Plus
28m.
28m. Very good.
Plus 7n.
Plus 7m. All right. Can someone tell me what's the next step? It starts with a G.
Group.
You're gonna group. Group what?
The like terms.
The like terms. All right. All right. So we're gonna group m with this m, not true? So 15m. Notice that this 28m. What kind of sign it have? What kind of sign?
Plus.
Plus. So if I move this, what sign should come here, so?
Plus.
Plus. Not this minus, you know, guys. All right. Take note here. So that's gonna be plus what? 28m. And then we have minus what? 6n. Plus what? 7n. All over what? 21. All right. Give me a second, guys.
So behind, man. Brianna, don't make me trust the empire around there, yeah?
Yes, Lord.
All right, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah. All right. Where was I? So this should have been 7n. Right. So we're gonna group like terms. So what is 15 plus 28?
43 M.
So it's 43 M. Right, about 21. What about this over here? So what's that?
Positive.
13. I mean 11.
Positive N by 1.
Hold on, your background was on noise. Was noisy. Say it again. Positive 1n.
1n or 1 or n.
No, it has to be either 1n or n.
1n or n. Same thing.
No,
it's just
no,
one. It's just one.
No, it can't be one. It has to be 1n or n.
So
it's 1n, sir.
It's 1n, sir. 1n.
Or you could say n.
Yes, I said anyone is 1n.
Come again, miss. All right, I don't know. It's like you break. I don't know. Your background is a bit. It's like you talk a little bit and you just cut it off a bit. Sorry, I'm not hearing so clearly.
Sir.
Yes.
How
you get one.
No.
All
Well,
right,
that's true.
all right. Tell me what you think the answer is.
I had 43n minus 13n over 21.
All right. I'm gonna shock you, you know.
Shock already.
You remember Mr. Brown?
Yes.
You can't get divorced, Mr. Brown, man. You divorced, Mr. Brown.
But me not see now Mr. Brown situation, yes, so you know.
Really? Let's take off the end.
Oh, because you bracket the negative, this all. What make you bracket?
But me never bracket in your book. Me never. No, man, the bracket. No, the bracket has nothing to do with it. All right. So, Mr. Brown here. Does that ring a bell?
Mr. What you do, you know?
Yeah, man.
Sir, good night. I'm just joining in, so would you mind go over it for me, please?
God have mercy. Miss, you have to go check the recording here. Sorry about that. I'm gonna give an example. I'm gonna give you guys one to try. When everybody try it, we will go over it. All right, miss? Sorry about that. All right.
Okay.
Any questions?
So what's the answer now, sir?
All of that. Because this is M and that is N. That's the answer. All right. Any questions? All right. What is this one?
That's I answer negative 6n plus 7n.
No, man. No. This. I was just working this out for you. No. This is.
Oh. Rub it out, sir. Rub it out.
Sir, you said the answer is what now? The 43?
Right.
M plus 1n over 21.
Right.
All right.
Let me give you a minute to write this off. And then I'm going to give you one to try, all right? No, I just did. Say it again, Mikair. If I'm what? Like a tongue piece a while ago.
Yes, sir. I'm going to
say no,
but I worry about it.
You see, you know that I say you shouldn't say it a while ago, you know that though. All right, try this one for me, guys. Please notice that this is a what? Negative sign, all right? I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to do that.
3 times.
Right.
And then I'm going to put the bracket 4m minus 3n. Bracket take away 3 into 15, 5. Bracket 2m minus 5n bracket. Then you do the, then you start to multiply 3 times 4, 12m minus 9m, 3 times 3, 9n. Take away sign. 15, yes, take away sign. 5 times 2, 10m. Minus sign. 5 times 5, 25n.
Anybody want to correct her? That's wrong.
Minus 25n.
Plus 25.
Okay, good. Why is it plus?
Negative 5.
Oh,
negative and negative give you a positive. Right. No man, Jesus is our Lord. Jesus is our Lord. You know, let me tell you something. So in the maths class, the amount of Jesus me here. Probably
Sir, me go ball out, man. Every time I think
right.
me get it sitting right, something wrong.
Probably got turn on past, you know.
Sure.
As I first, yeah, teach much the amount of Jesus mirror. Jesus. Hallelujah. All right.
So then you have
Look here.
12.
Hold on, hold on.
Okay.
If I were like you, I will make a notation right here. So here in your notebook.
Yes, sir.
Make a notation. All right. Please. Okay. Go ahead for me, Karen.
Okay, then you have 12M. Yes, the
By
15.
the way, what are we going to do next? It starts with G.
Group, sir.
Grouping.
Right,
Grouping.
right. Continue.
Okay, take a you put the sign.
Oh, stop sign.
No man, the minus sign. Sorry about that. The minus sign. And then you're going to put 9n plus 25n.
All right.
And then
almost there.
You're going to say 10m minus 12m leave you with 2m. And then you're going to say the negative and the positive would give you a positive, and then you would take away the 9m n from the 25n. Correct, sir?
What would you get?
Okay, so that would be negative 34.
No, can somebody calculate for me, please?
Positive 16n.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
Mr. Who?
Mr. Tiffin Brown. Sure.
Listen.
Yes, it's a positive 16, and sorry about that, guys.
So this thing tricky. Why?
All right, any questions?
Sir, this thing tricky, because, all right, you see the last part, the second to last working out, we do the 12m, right up there. So I have to look back on it, because next thing me go say negative and positive give me negative. But then when me think about Mr. Brown now, me say, but no,
hold on. Remember, I said right, that's the same thing, man. We just did a while ago, All right, no, tell me something. If you, let me tell you something. This question is probably worth 4 marks. If you had made that error right there and put a negative, it would mean this would have been wrong. And if you made a mistake right, so you make an error, and you probably only get 2 out of the 4.
Right. We work here before no finish, man. But me just say, look, panic, because a while ago me nearly put the negative 16, but then me say no, that it's about $9, so that means say
right.
Would I have changed left, so the positive 16 in so.
The thing about it is sometimes you do much try to get the whole thing correct. Nobody just do halfway and say, Chuck. But let me tell you something. Sometimes don't think that way, because guess what? If you do that in the exam and try for every question get half, you're gonna fail. Try get the whole thing, because 6 is stingy with marks. Question like this might go up to between 3 to 4 marks. Just stingy with the marks.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna give you one more to try, and then we're gonna move on. All right. Are you guys through with the question? Anybody writing? Okay, try it for me. And please try and get the whole thing correct here. Nobody reach halfway and say, boy, try at least no, and not so much work. Try get the entire thing correct. So when I do exam, then you start think about halfway and whatever. But try get the entire thing correct. Alright, guys? In other words, don't shorten yourself. No. Anytime you make a mistake, put an asterisk here. Don't bother beat up yourself. Alright, try it one for me, please. 5 minutes. Alright, guys. Okay, I'm sure 5 minutes, we just kill off 5 minutes a while ago. Ready now. Come on, people. Anybody want to go ahead? Hold on the Karen. Anybody else want to go ahead? Time I go,
I'll try, sir.
Alright.
Right, so the LCM would be 12.
Hold on there.
Alright, so now we're going to have so now we're going to say how many times can 6 go into 12. So that would be 2 open bracket 5x, take away 2y, close bracket, and then would say 12 into 12 would be 1 time, open bracket, 4x plus 5y, close bracket. So go down to the bottom. So 5 2 would be 10x. Take away 4y. Take away 4x plus 5y.
Something wrong there, so. Anybody want to carry car?
Oh no, sir. So it would be negative.
Why? Why is that negative?
Positive and negative.
Right. Because what? Negative times positive give you a
negative.
Please make a note of that here. Please make a note of that.
Alright, sir.
Is anytime you have a negative right here, so we're going to have to use the rules of multiplication. Likewise right here. So you see that? That's how we get. That's why we get 2 negative to be a what? Positive. Alright. So
that's negative 5y.
Right. So
we go down now. We're going to group the like terms together. So it would be 10x, take away 4x, take away 4y, and so a negative and a negative would be a positive. That would be positive 5y, sir.
No, man. Remember say use the rules of multiplication up here, so to convert that plus to that negative.
So it remain a negative.
You wouldn't go again. It's like you'd be using the rules 2 times.
Okay. So now, since we've grouped the like terms, so we owe 4 and we have 10. That would be 6x. And since we have a negative and a negative, it would be positive 9y.
No. Somebody correct her for me. Anybody?
Negative 9y.
Or why is it negative y? Negative 9y.
The old Mr. Brown.
Mr. Brown, not true.
$4, and then I go back and earn $5.
Right. No, you said negative and negative give you a positive, but that's wrong. We're not multiplying your O on your O.
Okay, sir.
Remember, I said up here, so you'd have worked out all the negatives, not true? You'd have worked it out up here, so. All right, so that's your answer. Any questions? Thank you very much. Any questions?
Sir, how you know which section fi apply or fi use up the rules of multiplication? Because as I said, we use it up at the top there so already. So we use it on the bottom.
Okay, good question. All right, so basically, if you look back in last, did you get a chance to go over last class notes? Because we did this last class, you know. Last class, you had a question just like this, intro. Like that was a question.
You're right.
Yeah, man. Look on last week notes. So you use rules of multiplication when you're what? When you're multiplying. When you have brackets. Notice you realize that there's no brackets down here, so?
Kicked out.
Alright, sorry about that. You notice there's no brackets down here, so?
Yes, sir.
So because there's no brackets, it means that we're not multiplying. Hence, we're not going to use the what? The rules of multiplication. That means if we now use rules of multiplication, what we're going to use? The rules of what? Adding and subtracting, aka Mr. Brown. So rules of multiplication up here. So let me go back up here. So up here, so now you use the rules of what? Multiplication. Because you have a bracket, so negative and negative give you a what? Positive. But down here, so now what happened? The brackets are gone, so we now multiply. Alright?
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Alright, so I hope you guys go home and practice. Alright? And remember, the classes are connected.
Where should we go, sir?
Go home and Alright, sorry about it. Well, I don't know if you hit the home. Probably somebody So anyway, guys, any questions about this? And please read over your notes. Because last week, the distributive law, all of this was what we did last week. Alright? You have to.
Let me tell you last week, sir.
Let me tell you something. But the video was there. I sent the video. Let me tell you something. Is it like next week class is connected to what? This week class. That is how connected algebra is. Alright? Alright, guys. So, any questions?
Don't rub it off yet, sir, because I was kicked out.
Alright, I'll give you a minute to write off here. Alright, so next, I was given the assurance of getting the list Friday. Alright, so I've been wanting, and I'm going to do some SBA research over the weekend to look at some possible topics. Alright. some possible topics before I start the SBAs. All right. But I was assured about the master list over the weekend to get it. All right. It's gonna be very difficult now because first of all, I don't know if everybody in the WhatsApp group doing math, you know, because I have never seen 44 students in the WhatsApp group yet. So, you know, I'm wondering if you have a person just watch a video, you know, or something like that. Or maybe a person just change their mind about maths. Can't bother. Are you guys finished now? Yes? Ready now?
A few more seconds, sir.
All right. Okay, so what we're going to look at next is to look at how to multiply and divide algebraic fractions, which is not so stressing like this. All right. Yeah, it's not so stressing like adding and subtracting. Adding and subtracting algebraic terms is more challenging than multiplying and dividing. All right, it's a bit straightforward. And another thing I want you guys to share with you guys, the videos, right? Please, I'm asking you, they're very long and I should say probably boring, because I mean, it's maths. I mean, it's like a movie. A movie is normally 1 or 1.5 hours, right? And you're watching a 2-hour video on math. You know, it's going to be boring. So, boy, I don't know. I hope it's helping you guys. And I hope you guys take the time out to pause and go through and, you know, even just to write out the questions and practice, you know. But don't sit there and just look at the screen the whole time and, you know, you're relaxing and, you know, you're putting it up and, you know, it's you just a watch. You know, you can't watch maths. You have to work with it. Not true? All right, Miss, we're good now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So head up for me. We're looking at how to multiply and divide algebraic fractions. So what we did a while ago was what? Adding and subtracting, not true? So let me give an example. And yet again, the instruction would say what? Simplify. I'm trying to find something that is all right, so All right, so that's an example of algebraic multiplying. So notice that the sign right here is not a plus, not true? It's not a plus nor a minus. What is it? A multiplication, not true? So what you going to do is say, all right, tell you what, let's cancel out the number first. When we're multiplying fractions, how do we multiply fractions? By what? Canceling, not true?
Cancel off.
So the 9 and 9 cancel off. The 5 cancel out the what? The 2. Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. You know what? Let me do it another way. Where you go? You're gonna write out the whole of this. Let me do it that way. So I have 9 times A. What does B square mean?
B times B.
B times B. Multiply by what? 10. This 10 here. Are you guys following?
Yes, sir.
Multiply by M times another M, not true? Multiply by 1 what? 1N. Are you guys seeing that?
Yes, sir.
All over 5 times what? M times M. Sorry. Times what? N, not true? Multiply by what? 9 times what? A times B. Everybody see that? Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel. So the 9 cancel out the 9. 5 into 10 goes what? 2. Alright, so when you don't work this out, you know, only one number you can get. 2. Alright, so watch out now. These 2M cancel out those 2M. This N cancel out that N. This A cancel out that A. This B cancel out that B. Do you guys see that?
Yes, sir.
So what left back is 2,
BM.
is 2, and then you have B, and then you have M, not true? So the answer at the top is going to be 2BM, or if you have MB, same thing. Alright? But what you notice at the bottom there, everything what? Cancel, haven't you? You see that? Nothing is left untouched. So that's the answer. If something was left, you see, like for example, of A, you would have everything divided by A. Any questions?
Sir, you could you do it like this? Like you said, 9AB squared over 5M squared N times 10M cubed N and over 9AB. Could you just cancel out the 9 into 9, 1, cancel out the AB, and then you cancel out 5 into 5, 1, 5 into 10, 2.
Yeah,
and then
you could do that.
Okay.
But I like doing this way.
Okay.
You'll be surprised you're gonna exam and you can't do it like you used to do it a while ago. I'm telling you, these are the safest way and logic. I'm telling you, you can't. Let me tell you something. There's no way you can get this wrong if you do it so.
That is true, sir.
you go on an exam condition, you know, when you're an exam, based on the period, you know, you have to about open things the period, you know. You have to think about how much time you spend on sitting here. You have to think about what you're going to do when you get it, what you're going to do if you don't get it. You know, you start thinking about how much time you waste, and I can't start running ahead, and you just get nervous. Worse if you come late, and I sweat, and can't find nothing, and everything was like, boy, trust me. All right, any questions? Do you need time to write? More time?
Yes, sir.
All right, hurry up, please, because time is going. Let me ask a question. Suppose I had changed that wasn't a multiplication. Suppose that was a division. What would you do to this question?
Change the division sign to multiplication.
Thank you very much. And then what? Where do this?
You change
No, man, no. I want the fancy word. I want the fancy word.
Invert.
What?
Reciprocate?
Resuscitate?
Reciprocate.
Resuscitate?
No, that's not it.
Respire?
No, man. I want a word.
Just a flip. Just a flip.
Exactly.
Flip.
Yes, sir, but today I trouble me like you want to take this turn in an English class. You see it?
All right, you add.
Wait, I can call it reciprocate.
Reciprocate. No, I saw that. Say it again. You think you can spell it?
Reciprocate.
Spell it, Maria.
Spell it.
Yeah, man, start with R.
RECIPROCATE.
Cat.
Which one?
That no look. Boy, somebody Google that for me now. This could be a K, no true?
RECIPR. I see, sir.
Oh, I see.
So yeah, me spell it though. Alright.
I can't spell it. What you know?
Is it correct, guys? Is it correct?
Yes. Yes, sir, it is correct.
Spell reciprocate.
Reciprocate is spelled RECIPROCATE.
Hey, so don't have life easy. You just hey, matter don't have a life easy, you know? You just tell us something, sir. Spell reciprocate.
No, sir, I'm not ask nothing to use to spell it. I spell it.
No, man, I'm just saying. I'm just saying generally. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna move on here. I'm gonna give you 2 to try.
Okay, sir.
Let me get rid of this red marker here.
Sir, we're not getting it for our own mark.
Eh?
Our own mark. We can't get it for our own mark.
I'm not gonna do that. Hold on, I made a mistake. That should be a 3.
That is a B or a 6 over 2A.
You know, some I don't know. Let me check. No, it's B. Oh boy. That's a B here. No, look like an upside down G or 9. I don't know. So that's 1. Part 2. Alright, so remember that for the division 1, all you need to do is what? Change the division to what? Multiplication and flip this one here. So I'm going to give you 5 minutes to answer those two. Alright, so we have 5 types of factorization.